half potitale, so this is one way of hiding it. But let's spread the cheer. There's a very nice incident which happened in the December of 1997, which I had read in the Sunday Herald, the supplement of the Deccan Herald. There was this shop called Kids Camp, which was located at the end of MG Road. It was a big, huge place where they used to sell clothes for kids and toys and everything. And they had a tradition of having a person who used to dress like Santa Claus. And the sales manager of that particular kids camp was a person called Rajesh Kumar. And on that day, he found that many of his staff hadn't come. So he decided to don the hat of Santa Claus. He dressed up himself as Santa Claus and he put on his beard and the red cap and the suit and he went off over there. He found that many of the kids were coming and he gave them gifts and it was a lot of fun and gaiety, but he saw one boy was completely sad. And he just thought, why not ask this boy? And he told him, boy, what happened? Why are you so sad? He told, no, Santa, my sister, she's in the hospital and she wanted to come here and she wanted to meet Santa so much. He told, how old is your sister? She told, she's only 6 years old. And Rajesh was a little worried, the Santa Claus, and he said, but what happened to her? He told, no, I don't know, but Mummy's telling that she's in the hospital and she won't live for long. He was a little worried. He gave him 2 chocolates. But he soon saw that this boy's grandmother was nearby. And the grandmother came to take the boy and Rajesh just asked his grandmother, what happened? This boy is telling me that this girl, his sister, is not well. The grandmother had a tear in her eye and she told, yes, he's got a smaller sister who's 6 years old and she's got leukemia, blood cancer. She's in the Kidwai nursing home here, the cancer hospital. And she wanted to come here. She's just in UKG and she just wanted to meet Santa to take all the gifts. Then she told she's in Kidwai nursing home and it's very nice that you inquired, but we have to leave quickly. The grandmother and the son left that place, but this entire episode haunted Rajesh. And when the entire crowd had died down at around 9:30, he went to the owner of Kids Camp, Mr. Ravi Melwani, and he said, you know, there's a kid who has leukemia in Kidwai nursing home, and I just feel that we should do something for her for Christmas. Ravi Melwani, being a very generous man, told, why don't you take some toys and go and meet that girl. Rajesh Kumar dressed up in that Santa Claus, went over there, took permission from the hospital authorities, found out where this girl was and went into the nursing ward where this girl was kept, singing a carol and making a lot of fun. The entire family who was waiting over there was so surprised, and that girl who was 6 years old was ecstatic. Rajesh gave her the gifts, showed her the doll, held her hand and told her, see her, I've got so many gifts for you, but you know I'm not going to come next year. Next year you have to come over there to meet me in my place. She told, where are you from? He told, from Kids Camp, you have to come there next year. And he gave those gifts, he hugged the girl, there were tears all around and he went off. Rajesh Kumar also had a son who was 6 years old and just reminded him about her. He went off and the grandmother and the boy thanked him profusely, and she told that we don't think so, the girl is going to live for another 2 months or 3 months, but anything happens to the girl, we'll never forget you. Rajesh Kumar had this memory in his heart. He had forgotten about the girl and he kept reading in obituaries and he might have seen a place where he thought that this girl had died. But the next year when December 25th came and he was again had a shortage of trust and he dressed up as Santa, many boys and girls came and one girl came up to him and said, do you recognize me, Santa? And you shouldn't be rude to kids because most of the kids ask you the same question, and he said, yes, I recognize you. She told, yeah, you recognize me, Santa, I'm so happy. Remember you came to my hospital ward? And he was so shocked because she had completely changed from the bald with 2 patches on her head with that chemotherapy. Now she had become an absolute rosy, plump kid with all hair growing. And when she saw his grandmother, the grandmother came and met Rajesh and said, "Oh, you remember? There was a miracle. You gave her that hope and she's alive today." And that's what I mean by spreading the cheer. I was very touched by the story because a person went beyond his duty to spread the cheer. And that's what Santa Claus can do. Like a teacher was asking his students, and one student, he kept on asking, "What do you all want from Santa?" So he met a boy, and the boy told, "I want a toy gun and I want so many chocolates from Santa." The teacher said, "You're so ridiculous. You should be asking for wisdom and knowledge from Santa, and you ask for all these material things." The boy looked up at Santa and said, "Teacher, you ask what you don't have, I ask what I don't have." So, but today we have a person who's the MC, who's actually Santa right from North Pole. He's called Santa Claus in Netherlands and Belgium. He's called Father Xmas, Father Christmas. He has this great habit of giving lots of goodies, chocolates, cakes to everybody. And today he has a special offer. He's offered to hug all the men and women around here. So please welcome with a big round of applause the Master of Ceremonies, none other than Santa Claus.